everyone, my name is Pritam and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, then let me tell you that I do make contents on programming, data structures, algorithms, higher study programs, and many more like corporate interview experiences and so on. If you are new to the channel, then do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached to you through notification. Now, let me talk about this playlist. Why I am making this playlist? I can directly go to C++, I can directly go for any language, and then I can start for data structures and algorithms and problem solvings and all. But I am starting by C because I believe that C programming is the most fundamental thing you should know, because this is the language by which you can, I might be wrong, people might be telling me that I am wrong on and all, but it's my belief that when you will be starting by C, then your fundamentals towards the computer science, towards the the internal memory and all, everything, you could have a good understanding with them so that you could be doing great in your software development career. That's why I'm going to start by C. So in C, what we are going to learn? We are going to start by introduction to C, then elements of C, and then input output, and then operators, and then functions, recursion, arrays, strings, and structure and union. All these kind of topics we are going to discuss one by one. Now you can ask that why array and string? Okay, so these are the basic data structures you should know, and we will be doing this by C. And in the C++ playlist also, in the data structure playlist also, we will be covering in some deeper sections and other many more problems also. Okay, I will be using Gigs for Gigs and LeetCode and many other platforms so that we could solve many problems. Okay, so this is all about what we are going to discuss with all of you in my channel. If I talk about the learning part for now, so in this playlist, if you are a complete beginner, then this playlist is completely for you. If you are an intermediate guy who are trying to be in the depot section of the programming domain, this playlist is for you. If you want to brush up your skills in like the basics, then obviously the timestamps which I'll be putting in my videos, that is going to help you. You can brush up your in any topic, you can brush up and you can go back to your own domain. Okay, so thank you so much, and do share this playlist with your friends who are new in the programming and who wants to learn programming in details from the very just the raw programming they want to know. Then share this playlist, share this video with your friends, and guys, just bookmark this playlist link in your browser so that you could access it very quickly. Okay, and in the last, please do hit the subscribe button. Again and again, I'm telling you guys, please do hit the subscribe button so that I could get a lot of motivation to make more and more contents for you guys. Thank you so much. This is much for today. See you in the next video.